Okay, so just referring back to the AQA syllabus, which is what we're planning for, other features mentioned are hotspots, hyperlinks, and navigation bar, which is what we're going to talk about next. Okay, so I'm going to just go back to my home page. Now, when we talk about hotspots, what that means is when you hover over a particular piece of text, it will give you something that you can click onto. There's nothing in my text at the moment with any hotspots, but there is something here. You can notice how when I scroll over this image, the hand comes up, and that means there is a hotspot, so it's linked to something else. And let me just click on that and see what it's linked to. It's just taking me to a page with that image on. So obviously I need to do something about that, so I'm going to edit my page, click on the image, and it's saying at the moment it's going to go to that link, and that's the place where I got my image from. So I'm going to change that now to something else. So you need to think carefully about what you're going to link that to. Obviously it needs to be something again that's relevant, something that adds interest to that image. Now what you could do, it doesn't necessarily have to be an external link, it could be something internally, so site page. Now I could link it, for example, to my information page, which is what I'm going to do now. So by simply double clicking on the information page and clicking OK, that then changes the link to the information page. Okay, so click on save, and I'll just test that now, and it takes me to my information page. So that's using hotspots. It's also using an internal hyperlink. Now what we could do is change a piece of text. So for example, I could say click here for more information on school fees. Okay, so what I'd need to do is save that and then create a new page called school fees. Click create, go back to my home page, edit it, and on the click here bit I'm going to create a hyperlink. Again, this is another internal hyperlink. So this area here with the chain is the link, and it's going to be a site page, and it's going to be school fees. Click OK. I'm just reviewing the link address there. Click save and click here. It takes me to my fees. Now you could obviously include an external hyperlink for something of interest to do with your website. But we've covered the hotspots and we've covered hyperlinks. The next video we're going to include a navigation bar.